Welcome to today's video. I gotta start today's video off with a cheers with an icy cold Cosmo. I'm here in South Florida. It's hot as balls. We have tropical depression number 9, Hurricane Ian out there stirring. And it's been a rainy, nasty weekend so far. But I got a brand new Ooni pizza oven. And we're dying to use this thing. Skies are cleared up, so we're gonna give it an unboxing and maybe later a cook. This Ooni multi-fueled pizza oven. It can use propane, charcoal, wood. Let's unbox this and see what we've got. This one big box, this thing weighs 65 pounds. I think I kind of came near a close call hernia getting this thing up on the countertop by myself because there's no handhold handles in the box. Here she is. All boxed up, box in a box. The Ooni Pizza Oven Karu 16, multi-fuel. Let's get her together. Let's unbox it. This is the weight of the beast right here. This has to be the pizza stone. That is boxed nicely. That's totally encased in bubble wrap. There's no way that stone would break in shipping. And it must have come in 2 pieces because there's another big ass piece in here that weighs a ton. This piece encased in bubble wrap. Nice job. They care about shipping. What do we got in here? Oh, this looks like it could be the door. From what I've read, the newer models have glass in the door instead of a solid door so you can watch it while it cooks. Sweet. Let's unbox these goodies. This weighs a ton by itself too. We got this puck piece, came out of the top here. Looks like unstuffing a turkey. We got all the manuals. Who needs that? Nah. We'll read these. We got the oven, we got the smokestack, we got the tray that holds all the fuel material. We've got a breather that goes on the back. We have a thermometer with a temperature probe that we plug in. We'll hook that on. We have the assorted hardware. We got the batteries for the thermometer, and we got the cover for the fuel box. To start this off, this oven is on legs. They fold under. There's 2 in the front, 1 in the back. We'll put the stones in. We got stone 1. There is no up or down side on this. We slid that all the way until it stopped. I'm gonna say the downside says Ooni because we want the top side probably flat as possible. I am gonna check the directions though, how about that? But I'm gonna stick it in with the logo down first. Ta-da! The instructions do show the Ooni emblem facing up. So I'm going to go against that. I don't want anything to impede me sliding a peel across that stone, so I opted to put the logo down. The instructions don't say not to do that, so I'm doing that. I've attached the thermometer bracket. The thermometer has a ridiculous amount of screws to open to put the batteries in there. We'll take the 7 screws out, put the batteries in, and then mount this on the bracket. First design flaw so far that I see is how many of these damn screws it takes to hold the battery cover on, and these things are microscopic. I dropped one out here on the pavers, took me 35 minutes to find it. There's got to be a better way than to have those 7 teeny tiny screws holding that battery cover on. Crisis averted. I found the missing screw. It's time to move on. This stud with a knurled knob, we'll put it in that bracket. Thermometer is mounted. We just got to plug in the probe. There's 2 clips on the bottom of the oven to clip that thermocouple wire around and get it into the probe jack. Hot as balls, 91 Fahrenheit. Damn, it's hot. Probably cook a damn pizza laying right here on the countertop. Now we're going to slide this fuel grate until it stops in the back. balls are getting hotter. It's 92 now. All right, so now we're gonna put on the oven door. We're gonna slide that on there into the lock position. And now we're gonna put in our 2 door bolts. Oh, look at that. Door is on and it slides up and down so it'll hook. You slide it in, it goes up and it hooks. Nice. Now you got the smokestack with the flue in it. Baby's locked in, rock solid. We got the cover for the firebox. And then we have the vent. We're gonna loosen these babies up here. We're gonna slide that over and lock it. Also acts as a holder for the firebox lid. Sweet design. Look at the warnings they have to put on this pizza oven. Do not use spirit or petrol for lighting or relighting. Warnings on products. Today's society is stupid. Halloween costume for a 5-year-old. Superman. States on the box, wearing costume does not enable wearer to fly. No shit. You know that had to be put on the box because they got sued for a 5-year-old trying to fly with a Superman costume. Preparation H. Do not take orally. Well, no kidding. Somebody probably wrote a letter, said, hey, I ate a whole tube of this. I still have hemorrhoids, but boy, can I whistle. I just can't believe it. All right, so we got this pizza oven set up. Even though it's multi-fuel, it'll do wood and charcoal right out of the chute, but it will also do propane. This is where you get the adapter. You take the vent off and you stick this in where the vent goes, and you can hook this to a propane tank and do pizza on propane. Got the pizza oven brush. That way we can clean that stone. You can slide that grate out that holds the fuel material and clean those stones. And then we got the cover. That way we can keep it outside. Although there is a pedestal that comes with this, we have not opted for the pedestal yet. We probably will invest in the pedestal because that baby full assembled weighs 65 pounds. And like I say, I almost dropped the nut picking that up off the ground to try to get it up on this table. I'm old. I'll be 61 tomorrow. This is my birthday present. And we're gonna make some kick-ass pizzas tonight. That'll be the next video. Well, I'll tell you what, for a portable pizza oven as this Ooni is, I can tell you just by the weight of this apparatus, it's a quality item. It's a quality item. And we're not gonna make our own pizza dough. We go to the local pizza place right up here up the street and we buy dough for small pizza. We roll it out to a large. I know you Italian people are gonna freak out. You don't put your pizza dough under a rolling pin, but we do. And that's okay, because that's how we like it. Cook your pizza however you like. Well, we got the Ooni Karu 16-inch pizza oven all assembled. It's ready to go. Tonight's dinner is gonna be pizza. We're actually gonna do wood. I gotta get the hatchet out and chop up some wood so we can put it in the pizza oven. Well, cheers with an icy cold Cosmopolitan. Because this Florida afternoon heat, according to my new pizza oven, is 94 freaking degrees. It's fall. How's it 94 in the fall? I'm dying. Well, cheers. Thanks for watching. Take care. See ya.